Ever thought you could take that knack you have for organizing things and turn it into, actual money? Well, today we're going to dive into exactly that, how to create and sell Notion templates. And this isn't just some little side hustle, it's a real path to building passive income.
I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? The idea that you can build a digital page just one time and then have it make you money over and over again. But this is a totally real and honestly, a very achievable business model. So what are we actually talking about in terms of potential here?
$1,500. Just let that number sit for a second. This isn't some crazy pie-in-the-sky goal. It is a completely realistic target, and it's from just one single template. That's right, $1,500 a month from one digital product. And we're about to break down the exact math on how you can get there. It's all about having a smart, repeatable system.
So the whole strategy really just boils down to this. You create a template one time, and you sell it again and again and again. You put in the design work up front, then you list it on a marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad, and from there, it can be bought an unlimited number of times. But where do you even start, right? Everything kicks off with one solid idea. And that brings us to our very first step, figuring out a profitable niche and brainstorming a template that people will actually want to buy. And just look at the variety. You don't have to be some productivity guru. Your thing could be finance, helping people out with budget trackers. Or maybe it's business with a simple CRM for freelancers. Or hey, it could even be for students with a cool study planner. The real key is to solve one specific problem for one specific group of people. And here's something you really need to hear. You do not need to build some massive, super complex system. Actually, a lot of the time, the simple, focused templates sell way better. A clean habit tracker or a minimalist budget planner might be exactly what someone's looking for. So please, don't overcomplicate it.
Okay, so once you've got your idea locked in, it's time for the fun part, actually building the thing. So let's get into how you turn that idea on a Notion page into a product you can actually sell.
It really is this straightforward. You just start with a blank page, you add the key building blocks like tables and calendars, and then you organize everything into a nice, clean dashboard. Oh, and definitely don't forget to add a little instruction block to help your customers get started easily.
And here's a perfect example of a simple structure. You can see how this productivity dashboard is broken down. You've got your big picture goals right at the top, then your daily planner, a habit tracker to keep you consistent, and a spot for a weekly review. It's all about making a logical, clean layout that just makes sense.
All right, so you've built your template, now what? The next step is to actually turn it into money, and that means doing a tiny bit of technical setup and answering that all-important question, how much do I charge for this?
This right here is the entire technical setup. Seriously, it's like 4 clicks. You go to Share, flick on Share to Web, make sure you allow duplication, and then copy the link. That link is what your customers get after they buy. It honestly couldn't be any easier.
So what about pricing? For a simple, single-purpose template, like a habit tracker, you're usually looking at the $5 to $15 range. Now, for a more advanced, all-in-one system, you can definitely and comfortably price that somewhere between $20 and $50.
And where do you actually sell these things? Well, Etsy is an amazing starting point for beginners because it has this huge built-in audience. Gumroad is super simple, just perfect for digital downloads. And then as you start to grow, you might think about Creative Market or even building your own Shopify store to have total control.
Now, once your product is up and live on a marketplace, the work isn't quite over. It's time to build this into a real business. And that means getting eyeballs on your templates and figuring out how to scale up your income.
See, Notion templates are super visual, so you've got to promote them on visual platforms. You can pin beautiful layouts of your designs on Pinterest, create those really satisfying day-in-the-life videos for TikTok or Instagram, or even film in-depth walkthroughs for YouTube. Each one of these can drive a steady flow of people to your shop. Okay, now here is the secret to really scaling this business. Instead of just selling one template at a time, you got to think bigger. The real key here is to package multiple templates together into a high-value bundle. For instance, instead of only selling a dashboard or a budget tracker by itself, you could package them all together. You could create something like the Creator's Productivity Bundle that includes everything they need. See, you're not just selling a tool anymore, you're selling a complete system. And by bundling, you not only give the customer way more value, but you can charge a higher price, somewhere in that $29 to $49 range. This is huge because it dramatically increases your average order value and, of course, your overall income. All right, we've gone all the way from a simple idea to a scalable business. Let's bring it all home and look at the final takeaway, your clear, direct path to that $1,500 a month goal we talked about. Remember that number from the very beginning, $1,500? Well, here's the simple math. If you sell a great template for just 15 bucks, you only need to make 100 sales in a month to hit that goal. That's a little over 3 sales a day. When you put it that way, it feels totally possible, doesn't it?
So, that really just leaves one final question. You have the blueprint, you know all the steps. What problem are you going to solve? What is the very first template that you are going to build? The opportunity is right there, just waiting for you to get started.